Namaste, we are in Bendipur. Almost every month we are coming to see Mero Aamaju, Tapaiko Didi. Seems to be very windy today. Okay. We are back in Bendipur. Aamajuko ghar. Oh, rooftop. Back to village. It's not like the touristy Bendipur here. It's a rural Bendipur. Oh my goodness. Is this taro? What is it? Makai. And there is a farm here. Taro, it's exactly what I say. It's taro. There are bongour, buffalo, chicken, aloe vera, strawberry, so yummy by the way, and so many green leaves here. Look, so many tomatoes here. And yeah, this is the village, very quiet.
हाम्रो नयाँ वर्षको कुखुरो
Organic
कुखुरो from बन्दीपुर हाम्रो नयाँ वर्षको सितन
Krishna cleaning the chicken, very fresh. Can be even fresher than that.
It's hot water
Ah ouais, hot water.
boiled
Everything organic.
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 onion garlic coriander
Everything. Even the chicken. That's gonna be a good meal. A good meal. Me, I'm taking care of the garlic. Didi of the piage and aloo because she's way faster than me. And Krishna, as usual, chicken specialist. धेरै बेस्ता
अझ अहिले त अब घाँस काट्ने बेला आउँछ भैँसीलाई अब बाली ग्रास हो उता जङ्गलतिर बाली मासु अनि ढिँडो हजुर.
And at the same time, the shop is just there. Organic chicken. Local. Yeah. The full chicken.
ग्यासको उडेर अझ सहिलो हुन्छ कि यसलाई त
Wow. Cherry tomato and strawberry. Ah, good.
स्ट्रबेरी टिपेर टमाटर छोपिएको हो.
With the kupuri.
Maju, how many strawberries would you make?
के छ र यो
Chicken.
यस यु लाइक
Huh?
यस
What the cancer?
ल ल मैले पकाएर खाने है
What's that? Ah, we don't eat that. They empty it. At the end, there is not much in the chicken. Also, pengra,
यस
you can take.
Yeah.
Organic.
Organic oil.
Oh.
कुखुराको oil. No refined तेल use.
Oh. Okay.
बोसो. चिकनको बोसो.
Oh, fat. Oh, dairy organic. Tell China?
तेल रिफाइन तेल भन्दा
Oh,
सनफ्लावर तेल भन्दा यो धेरै गुड.
yeah, very good. Huh? Wow. Chicken fat. Soybean, aloo.
आलु सोयाबिन एन्ड पोटेटो.
Oh, yeah, me too.
हुन्छ. अर्ग्यानिक कर्कालो एन्ड मासलाई के भन्छ मास कालो दाल
Oh yeah.
कालो मासलाई के भन्छ अरे
Lentil.
एन्ड कर्कालोलाई के
Yeah. Oh
भन्छ
yeah.
एरिक र सोनिम
Yeah. This is good. Cooking 100% organic.
100% अर्ग्यानिक अन्डा
Yeah.
चिकनको अन्डा
Oh.
रातमा पकाउँछु रातमा पकाउनु हुन्छ अर्ग्यानिक टमेटो अर्ग्यानिक धनिया अनि पिस्ने
Cooking with chicken fat is the best healthy way. There is nothing from outside. Everything is organic here. We don't have that in Kathmandu, Krishna. We need to grow a farm nearby Kathmandu. And we should cook in a chicken fat or duck fat. Olive oil is good, but it's refined olive oil in Kathmandu. You're good?
Very good.
We stop already using sunflower oil. We stop using all refined oil. And we are only using olive oil right now. But I think we are going to use chicken fat now. Chicken fat, duck fat. Achar is ready. It's really good. Everything is so good. They recycle everything. Sprig onion from the farm. I'm going to show the farm. Let's go. Here, huge farm. Sac, sprig onion, coriander, tomato, strawberry. Food for buffalo, all the chicken here. Pig. You can see the pig. Bungo. Buffalo over there. Yeah. Organic life. Organic food. So much better than Kathmandu. Now I want to have a farm. But in Kathmandu, even the soil is polluted. The water is polluted. It's not as good as Bendipur. No. Very organic, eh? Everything. Yes, 100%. I said, Utah, Matra, non-organic. Chini. And chini non-organic, Arco? Noon. Next time Himalayan salt.
Okay, Himalayan salt सकेर पिस्यो चाहिँ त्यो
Himalayan salt.
कृष्णले अर्को डाल्यो
Yeah, good. You want me to try?
मिठो छ
I'll try it. And people come eat here, so it's not just only a shop. It's a shop, Pasal, convenience shop, plus a small restaurant. Kodoko dido.
कोदोको ढिँडो मिठो हुन्छ
Yeah, kodoko, papa kodido. Filming and cooking. Filming and cooking, bistare. This is a staple from Nepal.
It's a technique, it's not power, you know.
No, it's technique.
Yeah.
So you can teach me that.
Me too, I don't know that much.
Okay, Didi, you want me to call Didi?
Yeah.
She's more professional. Okay, Didi? Didi? Hamilai tabai chayo. Dido garucha. I want a farm when I see what they have here. So many animals. What's next? They have a cat also. Now they have 4 cats. It's good. That's why they don't have Musa, Krishna. There is no Musa here. You realize? So we need a cat. Whatever happened.
Look.
Ah, ouais. Big difference.
Technical.
Technical
Power
and
and
strong. Yeah, power also. Mm.
Look.
Yeah, big difference.
त्यतिकै त ढिला जुन चाहिँ एउटा हातले गर्छ क्या मलाई
पंखा तातो भयो
Sugar cane juice. For the kids, organic sugar cane juice.
क्यान्डी
Emily!
टेस्ट गऱ्यो
यो छ मिठो
मिठो छ
मिठो छ
होममेड मैले बनाएको
अँ
मैले बनाएको मिठो छ नि मिठो छ
First Dido for Babu.
भुटुको निन्दो भुटु हैन ढिँडो हैन केक भनिरहेको छु भुटुको निन्दो
Sugar cane juice.
सुगर केन जुस सुगर केन जुस
With sugar cane juice. Instead of you. It's yummy.
हजुर भाइ का छैन
Va, bisa, bisa. Maya baksa suya tanah.
यहाँ जोसँग अब त्यसैसँग
Action. This is beautiful. Huh? We go there after. It's a real Nepali Newari feast. Look, it's a party today.